Hi everyone, so in this video we will continue from the previous section. In the last video we had created an organization as an admin, considering that we were the first one to create an organization and then invite our employees. So in that video, we had created an organization and this is the organization details. As you can see on the section, I have created an organization. I get the organization code. I can upload a logo as well by clicking on the edit icon. And this is the organization code that I have, right? These are my employees. Now on the organization section, I see I have teams and employees, right? So let's say you have multiple teams, multiple employees. You can create as many teams as you want here. For example, you can create your sales team, customer support team, account management team, operations team, finance team. You can create as many teams as you want to. Let me give you an example. I can create a sales team here. I can create a customer success team here. I can create operations team here. So I can create as many teams as I want to. Similarly, I can add employees here. To add employees, I can go to add employees and just enter the name of the employee. Let's say John. I can add the role of the employee I want to invite. I can invite someone as an admin, manager, or an employee. Let's say I want to invite someone as an employee. I can add their email ID. It can be whatever @gmail.com. I can also select which team do I want to add them to. Sales team, customer success, or operations. I can even invite them and later on add them to the teams. So both are possible. And then just click on add and then just send on invites. Automatically an invite gets sent to their email and they can accept the invite by clicking on the email. Now remember, whichever email you send the invite, they will have to install the extension and log in with the same email ID. Because as I mentioned, your account is linked to your email. That is where your extension is linked, and that is where this admin panel is also linked. So everything, your primary identity is your email ID. So everything is linked to your email ID, right? So that is how you invite employees. That is how you invite your people. There's one more way you can invite your employees. It's a much simpler way to do it, which is as I showed you in the organization section, you got an organization code. So what you can also do, instead of inviting people by email, you can also copy your organization code here, and inside the extension, once your employees download the Chrome extension, like I showed you that there's an organization button here. And on clicking the organization button, you get two options: create a new organization or join an organization. If you click on join an organization, it will ask you for the organization code. Once they enter the organization code, they will automatically be joined to the organization. So in this video, we talked about how you can invite your employees to the organization. Just to summarize, there are two ways you can invite your employees to the organization. The first way is just clicking on add employees and adding their email ID and the full details. They get an email, clicking on it, they get invited to the account and they log in to the extension using the same email ID. The second way they can join the organization is by using the organization code, which is this one. You copy this organization code, send it to them on WhatsApp. They use this organization code by downloading the Chrome extension, logging in, clicking on this organization section button, and clicking on join an organization, and then entering this code. So that's how they can join your organization. It's fairly simple. And if you have any issues, do write down in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer them. Thank you. Have a great day.